Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 4 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are Prashnvachak Vakya. We have already studied about these Prashnvachak Vakya in the previous session, that is session number 3. We learn few more Vakya, Prashnvachak Vakya conversation, because we often use them in our day-to-day life, in our everyday life. Let us start from the first conversation. First conversation starts here. How does he go to school? So question can be like that. School is what? Vidyalaya. How? कैसे? जाता, go. वह is the third person, that is he. How does he go to school? वह विद्यालय कैसे जाता है? He goes to school by bus. वह स्कूल बस से जाता है. That is, he goes to school by bus. Bus is what? Vehicle. So वह स्कूल बस से जाता है. He goes to school by bus. How is your father? That is, आपके पिताजी कैसे हैं? That is, you are asking about the health and all about the father. So how is your father? That is, आपके पिताजी कैसे हैं? He is not well. That is, वे स्वस्थ नहीं हैं. That is, he is not well. वे स्वस्थ नहीं हैं. Asking about the health status, or he is well can also be there. If he is well, तो वे स्वस्थ हैं. Not is नहीं. वहाँ मौसम कैसा था? That is, somebody has gone somewhere, so you can ask how was the weather there. It was quite cold. That means the person is replying cold weather. Cold means thanda. So weather means मौसम. वहाँ मौसम कैसा था? That is, how was the weather? It was quite cold. That means काफी ठंडा था. So how was the weather there? वहाँ मौसम कैसा था? It was quite cold. काफी ठंडा था. How old is your son? So if you are asking about the son's age, somebody's son's age is Ayu. How old is your son? आपके पुत्र is son. आपके पुत्र की आयु क्या है? That means how old is your son? So person can reply he is 12 years old. 12 is what? 12. Years is varsh. वह is third person, so you have used he. So somebody is asking about the age of the son. You can say he is 12 years old. How old is your son? His son is 12 years old. If you are asking somebody about the health status, his or her health status, You can say how are you feeling now. That is, अब तुम कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो. महसूस करना is feeling. तुम is you, कैसा how, now that means right now. अब now is what, अब तुम कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो. How are you feeling now. Much better, that is पहले से बहुत अच्छा. That is much better. अच्छा is better, पहले से, that is previously, from before. I am much better. So how are you feeling now. अब तुम कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो. Much better, that is पहले से बहुत अच्छा. आपको कौन सा गाना ज़्यादा पसंद है. गाना इज सॉन्ग, पसंद इज preference. So which song, कौन means which song do you prefer. That is, आपको कौन सा गाना ज़्यादा पसंद है. I like what you have liked. मुझे वही पसंद है जो तुम्हें पसंद है. That is, I like what you have liked. I like that what you like. So मुझे वही पसंद है जो तुम्हें पसंद है. Which book are you reading. So which book are you reading. It's the novel which I borrowed from you yesterday. So it could be which book are you reading. तुम कौन सी पुस्तक पढ़ रहे हो. Which book are you reading right now. पुस्तक is book. It's the novel which I borrowed from you yesterday. So I am reading the novel which I borrowed from you yesterday. That is what I have borrowed. That is mangna. Mankar is borrowed. It's the novel which I borrowed from you yesterday. That is kal. Past day. That is कल तुमसे मांगकर लाया था. वह उपन्यास, उपन्यास इज नॉवल, वह उपन्यास जो कल तुमसे मांग कर लाया था. When do you revise your lesson. तुम अपना पाठ कब दोहराते हो. In the morning. दोहराना इज रिवाइजिंग, पाठ इज लेसन. सो तुम अपना पाठ कब दोहराते हो. व्हेन डू यू रिवाइज योर लेसन. इन द मॉर्निंग. दैट इज सवेरे. सवेरे इज व्हाट, मॉर्निंग. सो व्हेन डू यू रिपीट. इन द मॉर्निंग. व्हेन डू यू रिवाइज. इट इज इन द मॉर्निंग. When did you meet Sanjay. That means तुम संजय से कब मिले. When did you meet Sanjay. I met him last Saturday when he came to Delhi. I met him last Saturday when he came to Delhi. Saturday is what, शनिवार. We say शनिवार in Hindi for Saturday. So मैं उससे पिछले शनिवार, that is last Saturday को मिला. मिलना is met. जब वह दिल्ली आया था, That means when he came to Delhi. When did you meet Sanjay? That is, तुम संजय से कब मिले? When did you meet Sanjay? I met him last Saturday when he came to Delhi. That is, तुम संजय से कब मिले? मैं उससे पिछले शनिवार को मिला था जब वह दिल्ली आया था. When you want to ask about somebody's profession, you can ask, where do you work? Where is कहाँ? So where do you work? That is, आप कहाँ काम करते हैं? So where do you work? In a government office. In a government office means government is सरकारी, office is दफ्तर. So in a government office, that means एक सरकारी दफ्तर में. That is, where do you work? In a government office. From where do you buy books? That means आप पुस्तकें कहाँ से खरीदते हैं? पुस्तकें is books, buy is खरीदना, where is कहाँ. From where do you buy books? पुस्तक महल, दरियागंज, दिल्ली. So you can answer, I buy books from पुस्तक महल, दरियागंज, दिल्ली, or any other place. So from where do you buy books? That is, आप पुस्तकें कहाँ से खरीदते हैं? From पुस्तक महल, दरियागंज, दिल्ली. You want to ask about somebody's residence or where does the person live? So you will ask, where do you live? In Roopnagar, Delhi. So where do you live? If you want to ask, where आप कहाँ रहते हो? रहना is live. Where कहाँ? Where do you live? That means आप कहाँ रहते हो? Answer could be anything. Wherever you live, you can answer. Roopnagar, Delhi. That is, in Roopnagar, Delhi. I live in Roopnagar, Delhi. So where do you live? I live in Roopnagar, Delhi. From where did you buy your suit? आपने अपना सूट कहाँ से खरीदा? From Pitampura, Delhi. So from where have you bought this suit? This could be Pitampura, Delhi. So it could be your suit by kharida. So from where did you buy your suit? From Pitampura, Delhi. कौन आ रहा है? Few questions that we often use. That is, who is coming? कौन आ रहा है? Who is coming? Where shall we meet? हम कहाँ मिलेंगे? Where shall we meet? How shall we meet? That is, तुम वापस कैसे आ गए हो? So how have you come back? अब आपकी माँ का क्या हाल है? How is your mother now? आप कैसे हैं? How do you do? Who is this? यह कौन है? So these are the few questions that we often use. We often ask somebody. So these are the few questions. That is all about this session where you have learned about different conversations and the different frequent questions we use in our day-to-day conversation, day-to-day life. So that is all about this session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.